Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about find the normal lines of the circle. So now I will show you the technique. First, we have the radius equal to the square root of number 10 and the central is about 0, 0. So in this situation, we will got about x minus 0 to the power of 2 plus y minus 0 to the power of 2 is equal to the square root of number 10 to the power of 2. If we simplify, we just got about x squared plus y squared equals to number 10. Now we put about x equals to number 1, so we can find the value of y in here. So we got about y squared equals to number 9. So in this situation, we have two values of y. That should be about y equals to number 3 and y equals to negative number 3. Next, we need to do first the derivative of the function of this one. So we got about 2x plus 2y. First, the derivative of y equals to number 0. We divide both sides with number 2. Later that, we put x on the right and we divide both sides with y. So in this situation, we have two values of y, so we will calculate two values of first the derivative of the function. Because we have the negative in here, that's why you got about positive y. Or positive first derivative of y. The question they ask, they want to find the normal lines. The formula to find the normal lines in this situation, you got about y equals to negative 1 divide first the derivative of y multiply with x minus the value of location of the tangent, that's about number 1, and we need to put the value of y in here. So because we have two value of first derivative, that means we need to write two formula of normal lines. The first one, and the second one. Negative number 1 divide to negative number 1 over 3, so you got about 3. This one you got about negative number 3, and now we need to simplify. Negative number 3, positive number 3, they will cancel. This is positive number 3, positive number 3, negative number 3, they will cancel. And here is the answer of the question. That's the end. Thank you for watching.